Bhagi and Jamaican Callaloo. Are they the same? Today's recipe is a Callaloo and Okro Rice cook-up. In this bowl I have 1 pound of chicken. I'm seasoning this with some green seasoning, which has bandania, all-purpose seasoning, a bit of ginger, fresh grated ginger, allspice powder, salt, onion and garlic paste, and I'm mixing this up and allow it to marinate for about an hour to two. In my pan, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil, chopped onions, grated garlic, and we're going to saute this up to build on the flavors. Pimento peppers, and let's saute this up. I once thought that Jamaican Callaloo and Trinidad Bhagi Bush were two different things until I learned that it's the same. Now you're going to add the chicken to this, and you want to mix it up. This rice cook-up is very healthy. Okra is very healthy, and so is the Bhagi, aka Jamaican Callaloo. My family had a flu this week, and when I fed them this, I can guarantee you that the flu began to left them, and I don't know how. So now we're going to add our chopped Jamaican Callaloo, aka Bhagi, and we're going to saute this up. And this recipe is very quick. This video should be finished in no time. So I'm covering this up and I'll allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes and allow the chicken to spring the juices and the Bhagi to soften, just like this. Now we're going to add our okras. Okras are very healthy, especially during pregnancy. We're adding carrots and some pumpkins to this. Give it a nice mix. Smells amazing already. I grew up on this dish. Now I'm adding some more allspice to this. Some more all-purpose seasoning. 1 Maggi cube. And I've added some parsley. Now we're going to add our washed rice. And then we're going to add a very key ingredient when making rice cook-up. Let's add our coconut milk. We're going to cover the rice entirely with coconut milk by about 1.5 inch. And now we're adding some Cajun seasoning, some chopped celery, a nice good dash of ketchup, and I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. I'm not using Scotch bonnet, but rather I am using cayenne pepper, adding some butter, salt. You could add black pepper if you wish, and we're going to stir it up again. Bhagi or Jamaican Callaloo is very versatile and popular in the Caribbean. After 25 minutes, it's still a little bit wet, but you want to stir it up because you don't want it to burn. I don't like my okra rice cook-ups that has a crust at the bottom. So I'm going to stir it up to make sure it doesn't have any crust. And so I'm going to cover it again and allow it to simmer again for another 10 minutes. It's still a bit too wet for me. Bhagi bush is also considered a wild spinach in Trinidad and Tobago. There are so many health benefits, including iron. It's a very healthy rice and a great option. Now this is done and it has reduced, and the texture of the rice is just the way I like it. If you like your rice to be more cooked, you can cook it some more. I cooked this for 25 minutes. You can cook it some more If you like your rice with a little bit bite, you can also do that. And this is the final plate of our Bhagi Okro Rice cook-up. And now it's time for me to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to subscribe and drop a comment and let me know if you really thought that Bhagi and Callaloo were the same in the comment section. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe. Bye for now.